Hello, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm creating with John Bead. John Bead is a Preciosa crystal platinum distributor and a well-known wholesale company who has been in the business 70 years. Today's DIY jewelry making project features my Capri Gold Bracelet. The tools and supplies you will need to create this bracelet are: all crystals and pearls are from Preciosa. We will be using light rose AB, 8mm, 6mm, and 1 4mm, 6mm rosaline pearls, 6mm vanilla pearls, 8mm honey faceted crystals, 8mm Capri Gold faceted crystals, crescent moon brass focals, we will need 2 of those, head pins, a lobster clasp, and eye pins. Our tools include round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, a hole puncher, and you will need something to make a mark on your connector. Also a ruler to ensure proper placement of the holes on the connector. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on blog.johnbead.com. Starting off, we're using our connector and we are going to find the center between these 2 holes and make a mark, move it over, find the center between these 2 holes and make a mark. Grab your hole punchers and place it right where the mark is and then push in. To get it off, it's easier to wiggle back and forth. And you can see we added a hole. Once again on the other side, place it, and we are just wiggling it back and forth. And now we have 5 holes at the bottom. Complete this step for 2 connectors. You can now see I have both of the connectors finished. We are now going to start creating our simple loops. Grabbing an 8mm Capri Gold crystal, we're going to string that on to an eye pin, and we are going to bend the wire to the side. Grab your wire cutters, trim off that little end with our round nose pliers. We are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. You are going to make 11 Capri Gold loops. Once again, I grabbed an eye pin, I strung my honey 8mm, bend the wire down, trim off that little end with our round nose pliers. We're rolling the wire towards us to form a simple loop. We're going to make 9 honey loops. We are going to make 10 vanilla pearl loops. Create 9 rosaline pearl loops, 5 light rose AB 8mm loops, 4 light rose AB 6mm loops, and 1 light rose AB 4mm loop, but I want your loops to be facing the opposite directions. We are now going to connect the beads together to form a chain. We will be doing this in the following order: Capri Gold, rosaline, honey, vanilla, light rose AB 8mm, vanilla, honey, rosaline, and Capri Gold. Grabbing our Capri Gold, I'm going to open the loop, grab our rosaline pearl, attach, and close the loop. Open the other side of the rosaline pearl, grab our honey, attach, and close the loop. Open the other side of the honey, grab our vanilla, attach, and close the loop. Open the other side of the vanilla, grabbing our light rose AB 8mm, attach, and close the loop. I'm going to connect the rest of these beads in order to save time. You can now see that our chain is fully formed. Repeat this process to form 2 of the same chain. Grab your half moon connector, open the end of the chain, go to the first hole, and we're going to attach, and close the loop. Opening the second chain, open, go to the last hole on the other side, attach, and close the loop. Our next chain will be attached in the following order: vanilla, honey, rosaline, Capri Gold, light rose AB 6mm, Capri Gold, rosaline, honey, and vanilla. Repeat this process to form 2 chains. Attach the chain to the second hole and close the loop. Attach the chain to the other side and close the loop. We are now going to connect this chain in the following order: light rose AB 8mm, vanilla, Capri Gold, light rose AB 6mm, rosaline, light rose AB 6mm, Capri Gold, vanilla, and light rose AB 8mm. Open our loop, attach to the center hole, and close your loop. Connect the rest of your chain loops to the other side of the bracelet with the corresponding holes. I just connected the first, the second chain, the third, the fourth chain, and the fifth chain. You can now see that the center of our bracelet is complete. Grabbing our 4mm light rose AB loop, I don't want the loops facing this way, so we're going to fix that. We're just going to grab it, give it a little twist, and you can now see that the loops are facing the opposite direction. Let's open the end of this loop, attach our lobster clasp, and close that loop. Open the other end, grab our bracelet, attach, and close our loop. We are now going to create this connector chain. String a vanilla pearl onto a head pin. Now we are going to make a bend in the wire. Trim off that little end, and we are going to form a simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. Make the chain in the following order: a vanilla, a light rose AB 8mm, honey 8mm, and Capri Gold 8mm. Open the end of the loop, attach to the other side of the bracelet, and close the loop. You can now see that our bracelet is complete. This is how the bracelet looks attached to your wrist. I also created these beautiful Capri Gold earrings. They match the bracelet. PDF instructions can be found on the blog. And there you have it, how to create my Capri Gold bracelet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.